Alright, the question says, if 36.5 grams of chlorine react with excess sodium, how many grams of sodium chloride will be made? If 36.5 grams of chlorine reacts with excess sodium, how many grams of sodium chloride will be made? Now, the first step is for you to write a balanced chemical equation. So, chlorine gas reacts with sodium, and then it will give you sodium chloride. So, this is a balanced chemical equation for this reaction. The first thing to note here is that 1 mole of chlorine, this is 1 mole of chlorine, gives us 2 moles of sodium chloride. That means the next step we're going to do here is to find the molar mass. The molar mass of chlorine is 2 multiplied by the atomic mass of chlorine, which is 35.5. That will give you 71.0 gram per mole. So you can confirm that with your calculator. Now we are going to calculate the molar mass of sodium chloride here. That will give you 23, which is sodium, multiplied 23 plus 35.5. Sodium here is 23 and chlorine is 35.5. That will give us 58.5 gram per mole. So now that we have the molar mass, we are going to calculate the number of moles. A number of moles is equals to reacting mass over molar mass. So the reacting mass of chlorine was given as 36.5 gram divided by the molar mass 71.0. I will give you 0.515 grams. Sorry, 0.515 mole, because we are calculating the number of moles. And then we don't know the number of moles of sodium chloride produced because we do not have a mass. So we need to say we are going to use this 1 mole of chlorine give you 2 moles of sodium chloride. Therefore, 0.515 mole of chlorine should give us 0.515 multiplied by 2. This multiplied by this divided by this. We are cross multiplying. So we are going to get 1.03 moles. So that means if 1 mole of chlorine gives you 2 moles of sodium chloride, that means 0.515 moles will give 1.03 moles of sodium chloride. And we need to convert this to mass. From the equation, we are going to convert this to mass to get the number of moles, the number of grams of sodium chloride that will be produced. So we now say the mass of sodium chloride produced is equivalent to this number of moles. So that will be 1.03 multiplied by the molar mass of sodium chloride. So that will give you 60.3 gram. So when you are given this type of question on chemistry stotiometry, we are going to use the balanced chemical equation to solve it. Without the balanced chemical equation, you cannot solve this question accurately. So therefore, when 36.5 gram of chlorine reacts with excess sodium, 60.3 gram of sodium chloride will be produced. Follow for more questions like this. Thank you.